First Qigong exercise is called Tai Chi Start. Focusing on the liaodong point in the center of the palm, breathing in as you come up, breathing out as you come down. Let the whole body relax and soften. Breathing in, let the hands float up, about shoulder height. Breathing out, relax down through the body, softening at the knees. The second exercise is called opening the chest, still focusing on the liaodong point in the center of the palm. Opening outwards, bringing the hands in, turn the palms, sink down, relax. As you breathe in, coming up. As you breathe out, opening the chest, tilting the body forward slightly. Breathing in, bringing the hands in. Breathing out, bringing the palms down, sink down. So it's breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, and breathing out. The next one is called rainbow dance, slightly wider stance, weight in one leg, looking to the opposite palm, other palm connecting with the Baihu point at the top of the head. So the liaodong point connects with the Baihu point, focusing the intent through the eyes into the other liaodong point in the other palm. The body doesn't really turn, but you just shift the weight from one side to the other, keeping the body in alignment, tailbone tucked in, posture upright. Try not to twist the knee. Let the whole body relax. You may get a little bit of ache in the shoulders with this exercise, but it helps to shift any blocked chi in the shoulder area. With the palms facing in, opposite the dantian, right hand on the inside for women, left hand on the inside for men. Bring the hands up as you breathe in, opening out at the top, palms face forwards and then the ground. Sink down, breathing out as you do that. So it's breathing in as you come up, opening out, breathing out, softening and relaxing down, focusing on the liaodong points in the center of each palm. Next exercise, rolling the arms, or also known as repulsing the monkey. So you turn to the side, the palm comes up to about shoulder height, slightly behind, in towards the temple, the Heigu point aligning with the orbit bone point in the temple. Palms cross, the liaodong points cross, breathing out as you press forwards. Breathe in as you turn to the side, breathing out as the hand comes in and you press forwards. Keep the weight in the center, avoid twisting the knees, turn the central axis, turn the waist. Just allow the breath to lead each movement, breathing out as you press forwards. So this next exercise is called rowing the boat, very good for backache, the bladder and kidney meridians. Here, as the arms come up to the sides of the head, we breathe in, we tilt the body forward, breathing out, nice long breath out, all the way down, turning the palms. So breathing in, bring the hands to the sides of the head, tilt forwards from the hips, moving back, the hands go forwards, turn the palms, sink and soften down as you breathe out. This next exercise is called lifting the ball. You turn the foot out about 45 degrees, raising the hand up. The other arm comes down to the side, the Heigu point aligning with the jumping circle point in the side of the buttock. So you breathe in as we go to one side, we breathe out as we go to the other side, raising the opposite heel. keeping the movement nice and smooth and relaxed. Let the breath lead the movement. This next one is called Looking at the Moon. We focus on the logon points in the center of the palms. As if holding a ball, we turn all the way around, keeping the movement nice and gentle and relaxed. Breathing into one side, breathing out as we go across to the other side. Next one, pushing palms. So we turn, press the palm outwards, the other palm turns and comes to the side, the palms come back to the dantian, facing up, and we press and turn to the other side. So turning the waist, focusing the mind down the arm, into the center of the palm, to the logon point. We breathe out as we press forwards, we breathe in as the hands come to the center of the body. Next one is called cloud hands. Turn as if holding a ball, swap the hands. The top hand aligned with the Sea of Tranquility point, the palms turn to align the logon points, bottom hand aligns the dantian. No set time to breathe in or out, just breathing naturally in and out through the nose.